What's going on, guys? It is another day at the Journey HQ, and we're back at it working on this 84 C10. And so we've got a couple things that we're gonna get done today. Russell, what are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna finish getting the computer installed, get the wiring, all the wire loom on the wiring, and then I should be done under the hood. That's my main mission, is to get that done. So that's all cleaned up.
All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna work on this inside. Again, keep working on the inside. I've got a couple other pieces that gotta go in. We're gonna bolt the seat in, kick panels, getting ready to...
Oh, and you gotta paint that emblem.
Gotta paint the emblem.
And then the last thing we gotta do is glue the dash on.
We're gonna glue the dash on. So that's gonna be fun. Let's get to work, man.
Let's do it.
High five. All right, so I'm gonna get in here and install this kick panel over here. Then, well, first I gotta put the weather stripping in. Gotta finish this up, so I'm gonna like get some Scotch-Brite and kind of, didn't we want to kind of like make
Scrub
this,
it in, make it look matchy.
Yeah, because I took some spray paint and painted it. Can't even tell.
Can't even tell.
Can't even tell I did
diggity
that.
dog.
Look at that, man, that looks good. All right, let me do that.
While Chase is getting with it on the interior back here behind me, I've got my computer bracket that I built, the computer tray, and a bunch of wire loom, and I'm finna get down on putting all this together for the last time.
I'm just trying to get it to look a little more factory, or like it was originally there. Is that what I'm doing?
Sure. You're gonna patina it.
I'm patinaing it. Yeah. All right, so that looks better. Doesn't look so like new paint. Doesn't look like brand new paint on this old truck. After scrubbing it for a while, kind of made it look dirty. I like the way it turned out. Now we're gonna install the weather stripping. Professional. All right, if you can see in here, we got this kick panel held on just by the hood latch, the top one and the bottom one, and then the holes are not lining up because this was not originally in this truck. This came out of another truck, so I'm gonna have to pre-drill all my holes to make this stay. So let me go get a drill and some drill bits and some screws. Would you look at that? It's all installed. Can someone tell me why you have all these extra pieces when you're installing something? This says kick panel. This thing says kick panel. And all those pieces.
Why you got all them extra pieces?
I don't know.
Do you know where they go?
Yeah!
That didn't sound very confident.
All right, next thing I've got to do is install these little trim pieces we got from LMC. Everything for the interior came from LMC, pretty much. But I'm gonna take this out and try to fit it up and see what I got to do to put it on. Let's go look at the other side to make sure we're doing this right. Uh-huh. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to look like. So all I gotta do is drill some holes, put some screws in it, and we're good. What are you doing, Russell?
Oh, you know, putting on this old wire loom down here.
Where are you? I just see some hands.
I'm down here. Just trying to make it nice, buddy.
Where are you? Can I see you?
I see you.
Oh, there you are.
I see the camera.
I see the gray beard.
Gray beard. They're gonna have my character in Pirates of the Caribbean. Okie dokie. I have been bent over this hood for a long time. I've got the bulk of the wire loom on. Everything's kind of buttoned up top here. I've got these last couple of AC lines to get some wire loom on and cleaned up and straightened out. And then a couple of the transmission line, I say lines, I'm talking about wires. My bad. Some of the wiring going down to the transmission needs to be straightened out, clamped out of the way, away from the exhaust, and some fresh wire loom put on all that. And then I think I'm about buttoned up under here. But everything else looks good under here. Let me show you what I've got so far. It looks better than a lot of LS swaps I've seen.
That we saw this weekend, right?
I saw some that were, you know.
I saw some nice ones too.
Oh, I saw some that make this look like a junkyard.
Yeah, so let's put this seat in there.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah. Let's stand it up. All right, hold on, set it for a second. It's all right. Big boy can still move. Sweet. Okay, let's re-angle.
Oh, let's go back. Okay.
Oh, look at that boo-boo. That way when we have a wreck, you got a nice scar on your hip.
Oh, that's gonna hurt.